One night, a girl was waiting at the airport for a flight. But she had to wait for several hours. So she went to the airport shop and bought a book and a bag of cookies. While she was busy reading her book, she noticed that the boy sitting behind her grabbed a cookie or two from the bag. The girl ignored him, as she did not want to make a scene there. So, as the time passed by, she munched cookies and watched the clock. Seeing that cookie thief finishing her stock, with the passing time she was getting more and more irritated, thinking,
"If I hadn't been nice, I would have blackened his eye."
Every time she took a cookie, he took one. When the last cookie was left, that boy nervously took that cookie and broke it in half. He offered the other half to the girl. Seeing this, she snatched the other half from his hand and thought,
"My God, this guy has some nerve that, even after eating half of the cookies, he didn't even show any gratitude towards me."
She was relieved when called for flight. She gathered her things and headed towards the gate without looking back. When she boarded the plane, she sat in her seat reading her book, which was almost complete. As she reached her hand for her baggage, she was surprised to see that there was a bag of cookies in front of her eyes. This made her think if this was her own cookie bag, then the other one from which she was eating was his. And even after that, he tried to share it. By the time she realized that she was the rude one and the mistake was hers, it was too late to apologize. Moral: we should not judge. It's a matter of perspective sometimes.